Hey, what's good, fam? It's Cooking with Nephew, and today we're making some firecracker shrimp that's gonna turn the heat all the way up. I'm talking crispy, saucy, just straight up dangerous, right? Hey, drop my intro.
Cooking with my nephew in the kitchen where we vibe, got the flavors and the laughter side by side, stirring up some memories, spicing every dish. Family moments treasure, that's our only wish. Yeah.
All right, folks. Like always, let's go over our ingredients. It look like a lot of stuff is real simplified. I already got everything measured out. But, like always, for the full ingredient list, you want to go over to my uncle's website, and that's Smokin and Grillin with ab.com, and that's witab.com. Okay, first step, we want to pat dry our shrimp. So I got 1 pound shrimp right here. It's already cleaned and deveined. So I'm gonna drop this right over my board. And I know y'all probably wondering, if I'm gonna put it in flour, why am I patting these dry? So shrimp naturally holds a lot of moisture, right? So we want to pat these dry because if it has too much moisture, our flour get, real gummy, our egg won't stick, and we don't want none of that happening. So let's pat these dry. Then I'm gonna, get them over here back into my bowl. All right, now that I got these patted dry, let me go ahead and, return these back to my bowl. Get this all cleaned up right here so I can get my station ready, because I'm ready to get these seasoned. Okay, now that I got this all cleaned up, got my shrimp to the side, it's time to, get my station together. So this is where I'm gonna work. I can hear, my uncle not here today, right? So, but I can hear him in the back of my head, making sure I tell y'all that you need to prep, ahead of time. That's what's gonna lead to that success that we want with these shrimp. So I get all this over here. I got my flour. I'm finna crack these eggs. Go ahead and open up my breadcrumbs, get these down. I'm ready, man. I'm super hungry, man. So let's get to it. All right, we got our station set up. Let me go ahead and crack these eggs. All right, now it's time to whisk our eggs, right? So let's go ahead and get these broke up. All right, now I got my stations partially set up. Let's go ahead and start adding our oil to our pan, right? So we are using, I don't know if y'all can see this on, that's canola, that's canola oil, vegetable oil. We only need about 1/2 inch. We don't need too much, just enough to make sure that the whole shrimp go in. So, all right, we got our oil in our pan. Now it's time to go ahead and get like a little medium heat going up under my pan, right? So, yeah. So now we at a medium flame going up under our grease to get that warm. Now it's time to come over here to the party and we finna season our flour. As y'all see, I set myself up. Everything from the lime over is going into the flour. So as I'm grabbing it, y'all already know, for the full ingredient list, go over to Unc's website. That's Smokin and Grillin with ab.com, and that's witab.com. So as I'm dumping this, y'all know I got my hot soapy water over here, so let me go over here and dump that. Now let's go ahead and get this mixed up. So let's get this, all around, because y'all know it's almost that time. Once we get that mixed together, it's time to dredge our shrimp, people. All right, now we waiting for our oil to come up to heat, right? So it's always good to have the right apparatuses. I can hear Unc right now laughing at me saying that. But look, for our oil, we looking for about 350. So we want to come in and see where we at. We need a little bit more time to get this up to temperature. So we'll come right back in a second. All right, as we waiting for that oil to come up to temperature, let's go ahead and start, coating some of these shrimp. So we're going to drop a couple, in this flour. Make sure we get that all covered. All right, now we're going to dust, these off before I drop them in my egg. Dust off that, that excess. Just coat these. We're going to, make sure we get that egg on both sides before we go ahead and drop them in our breadcrumbs. All right, now that we got them into our breadcrumbs, we want to get as much as we can. And then when you put this over, you want to pat this down. You want to make sure that's thick. And as soon as it's covered, take off that excess. And that's what you want to look. That's what we're looking for, people. All right, let me finish the rest of these. I'll be right back. All right, folks, as y'all can see, this is kind of, what you want to look for right here. These look fire. So now that we got these, all breaded up, we check my temperature one more time. Grab this thermometer, and we're looking for 350. So we come in. We at 330, 340. There we go. We 351. So we right on point. But remember, once we drop our shrimp in, it's gonna come down. So we're gonna let that come up a little bit more. Let me clean my station. Let's get these shrimp in here. All right, it's game time, folks. We got our oil up to temp. We breaded, they looking good, smelling good. So when you drop these in, you want to grab them by the tail. You know what I mean? You want to give yourself a little space. So we're going to have to do these in batches. So we're going to drop this first one in here. Remember, give yourself a little space. We want these to cook evenly. All right, these been in here, people, about maybe 2 or 3 minutes. This is what we go looking for. Yeah, this one ready to come out. All right, I done did a few batches. We probably get this last one up in here. So we go ahead and finish this up. Hey, and just like that, these is done. We're going to start getting these out. All right, folks, you see we got our shrimp. They sit here and they're drying, and these smell fire the way that they are. But y'all already know, nephew, I'm making firecracker shrimp. Where's the fire report, people? It's right here. The fire is right here in this sauce. And it's going to marry perfectly with this shrimp. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. This one been calling my name for a little minute now. All of this is going into the bowl. So let's grab this. Our spatula. Make sure we get all that in there. Hey, and I'm not dropping this into the water. I'm gonna drop it on the rinse side because we want to rinse this before we put it in our hot soapy water. Now that we got this in here, let's go ahead and cut up our lime so we get that lime juice in there. All right, folks, now let's go ahead and cut this lime. So right now, this is my favorite knife, folks, and this is available right now on our website. That's Smokin and Grillin with AB.com, and that's WITAB.com. If I'm not mistaken, I think these is limited, folks, so go ahead and grab one before before it's too late. You want to get one of these, man. These are super fire. Now that we got that cut, we're going to set this one aside. Grab, or see, we want to go to the, the big side because we're using the biggest one. We're putting this part down. And then we coming over our bowl and we just squeezing. All right, now it's time to go ahead and mix this sauce together. This is coming together perfect. This is all marrying, real good. That's what Uck would say. This is marrying perfectly. I love that, that consistency. All right, I got my cilantro cut down. I cut down a few more limes for my pictures using that Middleton made knife, folks. Make sure y'all go grab one. So let me go and get this plated, take my pictures. I'll be right back. Hey, all right, so I just knocked out my pictures. That's why you here. That picture is what brought you here. We're gonna make sure this taste is what's gonna keep you coming back. So let me go ahead and grab one of these. I promise I've been waiting. I haven't tried another one since I got it, that one bite earlier. Let's go ahead and dip it in this sauce. Oh yeah. All right, I'm ready. You're asking me, I'm ready. Y'all like Alicia Keys? I don't know why. I'm happy. When I get good food, it make me dance, make me sing. Now that Alicia Keys is in my head right now. So, hey, we said we was making firecracker shrimp. This the fire. That breading, that's what make the cracker part. I'm not finna over talk it because if I keep talking, I'm gonna eat all this with y'all. Hey, I appreciate y'all coming through, kicking it with your nephew. And remember, I'm not a chef, I'm just related to one. I'm out, y'all. Peace.